Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see lesson 4 since Hannah moved away. Have any of your close friends ever left your city and moved to another place far away? How did it make you feel? Read this poem that describes a child's feelings after his or her friend moves away to another town. So, this poem is about a child who feels sad and lonely because his or her close friend Hannah moved to another town. Okay? The tires on my bike are flat. So the child says that the bicycle tires have no air or and are flat. What it means? It means that the child has no interest in riding a bicycle because his or her friend Hannah is gone. Understood? The sky is graunchy grey. What is meant by graunchy grey? Graunchy means unhappy. Okay. So the sky looks dark, dull, and cloudy. Why? Because the child feels sad. So even the sky seems unhappy and gloomy to him or her. Understood? At least it shows feels like that since Hannah moved away. The child feels as if everything around him or her has become sad and unpleasant. The reason for this sadness is that Hannah has moved to another place. Understood this much? Next, the chocolate ice cream tastes like prunes. Prunes means dried plums. Okay. Usually, chocolate ice cream tastes delicious, right? But now, because of the child is sad, it doesn't taste good at all. Usually children doesn't like that taste of the prunes. So he's comparing chocolate ice cream to prunes. Okay. December's come to stay. They have taken back the Mays and Junes since Hannah moved away. It feels as if winter and December will never end. The child is unhappy and feels that the gloomy feeling will last forever. May and June usually remind us of pleasant, bright, and happy days. The child feels that the happy days have disappeared. May and June are usually happy days, but child feels that the happy days have disappeared. Why? Because the absence of Hannah. Okay? Flowers smell like halibut. Velvet feels like hay. So flowers normally smells very pleasant and very sweet, right? But now the child thinks that They smell like a halibut. Halibut means a type of fish. Okay, it smells like a type of fish smell. Velvet feels hay. Velvet. So the texture of velvet is normally it's very soft, right? Soft and smooth, right? But the child described velvet as a hay. Why? Hay usually it's a dry and rough, right? So the child no longer enjoy the soft feelings of velvet and thinks it feels like rough hay. Okay? Every handsome dog's a mutt since Hannah moved away. A mutt is a dog which that is a mixture of different types of different types or breeds. Okay. So the child now thinks that even even beautiful dogs don't look special anymore. Okay. Why? Because the child feels that the absence of Hannah because the Hannah moved away. Understood? Nothing's fun to laugh about. Nothing's fun to play. So the child feels that there is nothing funny or enjoyable anymore. He or she doesn't feel like laughing. And the child doesn't enjoy playable games anymore. This may be because Hannah was child's friend and they used to play together. They call me, but I won't come out since Hannah moved away. They refers to here other children. Okay. Other children are calling the child to come outside and play. But the child doesn't want to go outside because he or she is feeling lonely and sad. Why? Because Hannah moved away. Because of the absence of Hannah, he or she is not interested in anything. Understood this much? So, in this poem, it shows how much we can miss a close friend when they move away. The child becomes so sad that ordinary enjoyable thing things seem unpleasant here. Understood? So, for this, we finished our fourth poem since Hannah moved away. Tomorrow, we will see the book back exercise of this poem. Okay? Thank you.